Hi guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the Garden video. Now, as you can see, I am inside a gazebo, outside, inside. I've got a part of decking that I've never really had use of since I moved into this place. So what I've decided is I've bought a gazebo, covered it, because living in Scotland, it rains a lot. Because what I wanted to do was I wanted to make a gym-like area. I've already got a cross trainer that I've no space in the house to use. As you all know guys, I am very cheap and do not like to spend very much money on anything. So this is repurposed materials. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the other side. Let's get on with this. took this bit off because it wasn't given enough support. So all I've done here is I've angled the cut here and at the bottom. So here is my offcuts, and you can probably see from the layout I'm going to make a wee table out of it. Right guys, that's the video, and that is, I love this thing. That's me with this dafty gym idea outside in rainy Scotland. Who'd have thought? I could be doing with losing some weight anyway. So that's the video done. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, tell me what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye 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 bye.